We are a leading automotive company in Turkey. Teaming AI's image processing and supportive parameter suggestions are really important for us. Imagine a visual part with high aesthetical expectations, a multi-cavity tool, a short cycle time. On an 8-hour shift, this may be problematic for quality and setup operators, especially when the line starts to produce scrap parts. Towards the Industry 4.0 transition, teaming AI pilot line will be a great example to aim for a plant that can handle quality issues digitally and use all the data to train operators and engineers.